My name is Arthur Goddard, and I'm proud to say that my sister Anthurium has been blessed with the opportunity to represent Trinidad and Tobago at the CTO Youth Congress in Cayman Islands.
My name is Tabil Arthur, and as a young person, I think Anthurium is very intelligent. She clearly knows what exactly she wants to present.
I'm Patricia Goddard, Anthurium Lewis's mother. Anthurium has always been a very perceptive and analytical child. And just as she brings her professionalism and focus to her sport of archery, I'm very sure that she's going to do her best as the Junior Secretary of Tourism.
My name is Zaid Cipriani, and I've known Anthurium since the beginning of Bishops, and I just want to say that she's rather an erudite person. She's someone who can articulate very well, and she's enthusiastic, and I actually love that about her. And overall, she's just a genuine person, and I wish her the best in the Regional Youth Congress and the Cayman Islands.
My name is Patrick Welch. I'm the head coach here at the Tobago Precision Archery Club, and I am Anthurium Lewis's coach, and we at the club want to start by wishing her all the best. Anthurium has a lot of very important qualities that I believe will go towards endearing her and helping her to be able to accomplish the mission of winning the competition and gaining the title. She is an archer that has the determination and that follow-through mentality.
My name is Cindy Ramnarine. I'm the principal at Bishops High School, Tobago. Anthurium just has been a very exceptional young lady. She's always shone and she puts herself out. I find her courageous, always standing ready to serve, to help in any situation, and we are so proud of her.
I believe she can win. I believe that we will see good results, and she will do well.
Join us as we support Anthurium on her journey to the Cayman Islands as she vies for the position, a title of the Regional Junior Minister of Tourism.
We at Bishops High School want to wish Anthurium all the very best as she moves on to the regional competition, and I have every confidence that Anthurium is going to take the position of the Regional Junior Minister of Tourism. All the best, Anthurium.